Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about negatives and subtraction. So, we've talked a little bit about adding and subtracting in general. We know that subtracting usually means that you're taking something away. But I want you to consider this scenario. Let's say that your friend owes you $5. So your friend over here, this empty space, doesn't have any money, and they also owe you $5, right? Usually what we're going to do for that is we're going to represent that with a negative number. So we can say he has negative $5. Now we use negatives for lots of things. We use negatives for temperature if it's really, really cold, right? And we use negative for money if you have given up money that you don't have, right? Or used money that you don't have. And we call that credit sometimes, but usually the way that it's accounted for is by using negatives, right? Anything that's taken away is negative, and if you take away too much, then you get negative results, you get negative answers. So your friend over here has negative $5. Now let's think about this. What if you say to your friend, hey friend, you can forget about that debt, right? I'm going to take away that debt. You don't have to pay me back that $5. I don't need it. It's no big deal. Okay, so we're going to take this debt and we're going to get rid of it. Now it's not there anymore. What happens to your friend? Well, your friend has still the same amount of money, right? They have $0 in hand, but now they also don't owe you any money. They don't owe you that $5. So they actually went from like negative $5 to just a straight up $0. They have $0, and if they got an extra $5, they wouldn't have to give it to you. They could keep it for themselves. And so that situation actually got better for your friend, right? Your friend's situation improved a bit. And so what we're going to look at in this worksheet, in the continuation here, is the fact that sometimes if you take away or subtract a debt, right? So if you're subtracting a negative number, if you take away a negative, it's the same thing as adding.